In this video, we listed the 5 best cordless circular saw that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DCS 391B Circular Saw. We tested this DeWalt circular saw on several home projects. Its powerful motor cut through 2x materials with ease. The saw maintained consistent power even when making bevel cuts at 45 degrees. The magnesium shoe feels solid without adding much weight. The rubber grip provides excellent control during operation. We found the balance just right, stable but not too heavy. When paired with a DeWalt 20V Max battery, sold separately, we completed many cuts on a single charge. The tool-free blade change system also saved us time when switching blades. This DeWalt model delivers professional results without needing an outlet nearby. Number 2. DeWalt DCS 565B Circular Saw. We put this DeWalt 20V Max circular saw through its paces. The brushless motor spins at 4,950 RPM and cuts quickly through plywood and dimensional lumber. The saw feels comfortable even during tough jobs. Tool-free depth and bevel adjustments are smooth and intuitive. Changing settings between cuts is fast and precise, and the saw can bevel up to 50 degrees. The electric brake stops the blade almost instantly when you release the trigger, which boosts safety. At just 6.3 pounds, this saw is lighter than many competitors. We found it easy to handle during overhead cuts and ladder work. The built-in LED light makes it easier to follow the cutting line, even in dim workspaces. The saw works with all DeWalt 20V Max and FlexVolt batteries, which is helpful if you already own them. Number 3. SKIL 20V Cordless Circular Saw. We tested the SKIL 20V circular saw on several weekend projects. The thin kerf blade with 24 teeth cut pine boards cleanly and left smooth edges. Setting up the saw was quick, and the battery charged fast. The saw line visor helped us keep cuts straight, which is great for less experienced users. The saw is light and easy to control with one hand. The grip remains comfortable even after an hour of use. The PWR Core 20 battery worked well for most short projects. When cutting thicker 2x4s repeatedly, the power faded after about 40 minutes. For normal home tasks and DIY projects, this saw offers great value. The bevel adjustment allows cuts up to 50 degrees, though it takes practice to set it precisely. Number 4. DeWalt DCS 570B Circular Saw. The DeWalt saw is a high-performance tool featuring a brushless motor that delivers 5,500 RPM, ensuring consistent speed even under load. It is designed in a striking black and yellow color scheme and is powered by a battery, offering convenience and portability. The saw boasts a 7 1/4 inch high-speed steel blade, providing a cutting capacity of 2 9/16 inches at 90 degrees, making it suitable for various cutting tasks. With the ability to make up to 330 crosscuts in 2x4 pine lumber on a single charge, it offers impressive runtime. Additionally, the saw's bevel capacity extends up to 57 degrees, enhancing its versatility for different cutting angles. Special features include a brake and brushless design, which contribute to its efficiency and ease of use. Number 5. DEKOPRO 20V Circular Saw. The DEKOPRO cordless circular saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both professional worksite tasks and DIY projects. Powered by a 20V battery, it offers the freedom of movement and operates at a no-load speed of 4,500 per minute for efficient cutting. Constructed with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and cutting accuracy even under tough conditions. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing control for precise cuts. Its adjustable bevel, ranging from 0 to 45 degrees, is complemented by a laser projection for improved visibility and precision during various cutting tasks. Equipped with a 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade, it can handle cutting through different materials, including hardwood and softwood, while delivering clean edges.